Hello and welcome back to Excel Dictionary's YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple attendance tracker in Excel, making it easy to spot any no-shows. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. For example, here we have a list of employees and we need to track who attends each day of the conference for this week. Instead of manually tracking each person's attendance and calculating the percent attended at the end of the week, I'm going to show you how to create a simple attendance tracker in Excel that automatically updates as you fill it out. To create an attendance tracker, first things first, we need to insert the new checkboxes to track the attendance on each day. To insert the checkboxes, select all the cells that we want to insert checkboxes into. So in this case, we need to select columns C through G, then navigate to the Insert tab and select the checkbox command. Now our table has checkboxes and we can easily check off each employee that attends each day. This is already so nice, but the best part about using these new checkboxes is that we can easily calculate values depending on whether a checkbox is checked or not, because Excel automatically sets the cell equal to true when the checkbox is checked, or false if it is unchecked. If you want to learn more about how these new checkboxes work and use cases for them, I'll link my full checkbox tutorial in the caption below. In this case, we want to calculate the percent of days attended for each employee, so we need to divide the number of days attended by the total number of days. Let's start by calculating the number of days each employee attended by calculating the total number of checkboxes checked. To do this, we need to use the COUNTIF function to count the number of cells in each row that are equal to true. So just enter COUNTIF, select the first row of checkboxes as the range argument, and enter true as the criteria argument to count the number of cells within this range that are equal to true. Let's go ahead and enter this really quick to make sure it's working. And as you can see, it calculated that Justin attended a total of 3 days. Perfect. Now we just need to divide this value by the total number of checkboxes. To calculate the total number of checkboxes, we need to use the COUNTA function to count the number of cells within a range that contain values. So I'm going to select the end of the formula, enter the divide symbol, enter the COUNTA function, select the first row as a value argument, and fill the updated formula down the column to calculate the percent attended for each employee. Now let's format these values as percentages by pressing Ctrl+Shift+5, and we've officially calculated the percent attended for each employee. One last final touch I like to do is add conditional formatting to the values to really emphasize who attended the most in the least amount of days. So I'm going to go ahead and select all of our percent attended values, navigate back to the Home tab, open the conditional formatting dropdown, select color scales, and then choose the green to white color scheme. Now the employees who attended the most days are highlighted green, while the employees who attended the least are highlighted white, making it really easy to see which employees attended the most days. And even better, this attendance tracker is dynamic, so it will automatically update as you track attendance. This simple attendance tracker is a great way to stay organized when it comes to tracking attendance. I don't know about you, but I'm definitely never no-showing again. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips just like this.